In this video, we'll be showing you how to wrap a present. The first step is to unravel your wrapping paper and place the gift directly in the center. You want to make sure there are equal amounts of paper on both sides of your gift. And with each side of the paper, you want it to cover about 2/3 of your gift. As you can see, it goes a little over the halfway mark, and then we're going to cut on the left-hand side about where that 2/3 mark would be. With your paper now cut to size, take one side of the wrapping paper and place it on top of the gift. Now, grab some Scotch tape and you're going to tape it down so it doesn't move. Then, you will repeat the exact same process for the other side of the wrapping paper. Now, you're going to take your gift and flip it upside down. Then, working on the end, you will want to tape where the two pieces of wrapping paper meet. This is going to ensure that the gift doesn't unravel as we begin folding the paper in on itself. Begin by using your hand to create a little triangle with the paper. We accidentally missed that piece of wrapping paper, so we'll just fold it on over as if it was with the others. Okay, do the exact same for the other side. Push the paper in against the box, creating that triangle, and crease it to give it a nice looking edge. As you can see, we have a nice crease right there, and we need to do it on the top side. So to do that, we'll simply flip the gift over and then repeat the exact same steps on this bottom portion. With the wrapping paper now formed, the next step is to begin to tape it all up. So we'll start off by taping the wrapping paper against the side of the box, make sure it doesn't move, and then with these corner pieces we're going to be folding them. So as you can see, we'll take that corner, fold it inside of itself, and that will give it a nice looking line. Make sure those edges of the corners of the box look all good, and once you have that line good to go, go ahead, take some tape, and set it on there. Then just repeat this step for the bottom half. Once all of these steps are completed, then you will just repeat everything that you saw and do the other side of the box. And once that's done, your present will be wrapped and ready to go. And that is how you wrap a present. Thanks for watching.